Let's assemble it together. The first step is to install the Jeep chassis, and take the long axle wheel axle. Install the shaft sleeve. First install the yellow shaft sleeve for fixing. When installing a large gear, pay attention to the gear outward. We install the remaining wheels on the Jeep chassis frame in turn. Install the micro motor on the fixed bracket, and install the battery gear. Connect the red and black wires to the motor. Simply power on to see if the motor is normal. Fix the motor to the Jeep chassis frame. Here we should pay attention to adjusting the bite of the two gears. Install and fix the trunk of the Jeep. The hole above is for the spare tire. Snap the door of the Jeep to the trunk. Before installing the car roof, first pass the wires through the holes, and clip them to the car door. Install the hood of Geshen and Jeep. Finally, install the door on the other side of the Jeep and snap it into each hole. Install the rear-view mirror of the vehicle. The spare tire is installed on the trunk of the Jeep. Divide the double-sided tape into small pieces, paste it on the back of the battery box, and paste it on the roof of the car later. Connect the two wires to the battery box. Install the battery in a Sci Toys Jeep. Stuffing the extra wire into the car. What knowledge can we learn by assembling Jeeps? 1. Preliminary understanding of electric energy. To understand the source of electricity, cultivate children's practical ability, cognitive ability, observation ability, and lay a good foundation for the future of mathematics and chemistry. Increase the interaction between children and classmates. Parents improve children's interpersonal skills. Understand the fun of communication. Learn to share with others. It is suitable for students over 3 years old to assemble. Pay attention to safety and be careful of the parts.
Remember to subscribe to me.